Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, what we done in yesterday's class in English period? Yes, we return in English 4-line notebook. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. Is it? Yes. So how many vowels children? Very good. 5 vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? Very good. A, E, I, O, U. Is it? Yes. So these are what? 5 vowels. Okay. So in the today's class also we'll practice fill in the blanks with the vowels. Understood? Yes. So why I'm giving this repeat? To practice. Okay. To practice I'm giving this fill in the blanks with the vowels. Okay. So everyone has to perfect this fill in the blanks in the vowels. Okay. Yes. So let open your 4-line English notebook. Take out your pencil and eraser. Open page, new page and write CW. CW and write FILL. Fill. in the BLANKS blanks WITH with VOWELS vowels. Fill in the blanks with vowels. Okay. So put here box. Okay. So help of this box you have to write the vowels in fill in the blank. Understood? Yes. So which are the 5 vowels? Say A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Okay. So now for example 1 I will show you. So already you know how to write the vowels in fill in the blanks. Is it? Yes. So next I will put here numbers. Okay, first I will write here one word. D dash D. Next P dash D. Next write R dash D. Okay, next write S dash T. Okay, next one, fourth one write P dash N. P dash N. Next, fifth one, write B dash B. Okay, next write J dash B. J dash B. Next one. D dash G. D dash G. Next write M dash M. M dash M. Next write M dash D. M dash D. Okay, next write B dash T. Next write F dash T. Next write Z dash P. Next write L dash G. Next write J dash G. Next write H dash T. Okay. So children, here in middle, in between dash where we had put down, there we had to write these vowels. Okay. From these vowels we had to complete the words. Understood? Yes. D dash D. D-A-D dad. D-E-D did. D-I-D did. D-O-D dude. D-U-D dude. So which is the correct? D-A-D dad. Is it? Yes. So write it here, A letter. D-A-D dad. D-A-D dad. Okay, next P dash D. P-A-D pad. P-E-D Pete. P-I-D pat. P-O-D pot. P-U-D pod. So in this, which vowel is correct? A and O. So you can write it any one. So I will write it here. A, P-A-D pad. Okay, next R dash D. R-A-D rad. R-E-D red. R-I-D ride. R-O-D road. R-U-D run. So which is the correct? R-E-D red. Is it? Yes. So write it here. E letter. R-E-D red. Okay. Next S dash T. S-A-T sat. S-E-T sit. S-I-T sit. S-O-T sort. S-U-T sut. So which is the correct? S-E-T sit. So write it here, E letter. S-E-T sit. Okay, next. P dash N. P dash N. So which is the correct vowel? P-A-N pan. P-E-N pen. P-I-N pin. P-O-N put. P-U-N pun. So in this, three letters vowels will come. A, E, I. So in this, in three in the vowels, you can use here any one. Okay, A, E, I. Any one you can use it. P-A-N, pan. P-E-N, pen. P-I-N, pin. Any, you can write it vowel here. Okay, so I will write it here I, P-I-N, pin. Okay, next B dash B. B dash B. B-A-B, bag. B-E-B-B. B-I-B, bib. B-O-B, bo. B-U-B, bo. So which is the correct vowel? Yes, B-I. I is the correct vowel here. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. Okay. Next, J dash B. J dash B. J-A-B, jab. J-E-B, G. G-I-B, jeep. G-O-B, job. G-U-B, job. So which is the correct answer here? G-O-B, job. So write it here O. G-O-B, job. Okay. Next, D dash G. So which vowel will come here? D-A-G, dash. D-E-G-D. D-I-G-D. D-O-G, dog. D-U-G, dog. So, any two vowels you can write it here. Okay. D-I-G, dig, or D-O-G, dog. Any two vowels you can write it here. One vowel you can write it here. So, I will write here O, D-O-G, dog. Okay, next, M dash M. M-A-M, ma'am. M-E-M, man. M-I-N, man. M-O-M, mom. M-U-N, mom. So, which is the correct? Here also children, two vowels will come. A-U. M-A-M, ma'am. M-U-M, mom. So, I will use it here, U letter. U vowel. Okay. M-U-M, mom. M-U-M, mom. Okay. Next, M dash D. M dash D. M-A-D. M dash D. M-A-D. Mad. M-E-D. Made. M-I-D. Might. M-O-D. Mod. M-U-D. Mod. So, which is the correct answer here? Yes, M-A-D, mad also, and M-U-D, mud also. So, I will use it here, U letter. M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Okay, next is B dash T. B dash T. So, which vowel will come here? B-A-T, bat. B-E-T, beat. B-I-T, beat. B-O-T, bot. B-U-T, but. So, which vowel is correct? A, B-A-T, bat. Is it? Yes. So, write it A letter. A vowel. B-A-T, bat. Okay. Next, F dash T. F dash T. F-A-T, fat. F-E-T, feet. F-I-T, fit. F-O-T, foot. F-U-T, foot. So, which is the correct? F-A-T, fat, or F-E-T, feet. So, I will use the vowel E. F-E-T, feet. F-E-T, feet. Okay. Next, Z dash P. Z-A-P, Z. ZEP zip, ZIP zip, ZOP zoop, ZUP zup. So which is the correct? Jeep. Is it? Chain. Jeep. ZIP. ZIP zip. So write it here. I vowel. ZIP zip. Okay, next. L dash G. L dash G. LAG lag. LEG league. LIG league. LOG log. LUG log. So which is the correct? O. Okay, LOG log. So write it here. O vowel. LOG log. Yes. Next. J dash G. J dash G. So which is the correct answer here? JAG jack. JEG jig. GIG GOG jug. Jog. JUG jug. Here two vowels will come. O or U. JUG jog. JUG jug. Any you can write it here. So I will write here U. Okay. JUG jug. Okay, next. Last one. H dash T. So which is the correct vowel? HAT hat. HET heat. HIT heat. HOT hot. HUT hut. So you can write any one. Okay. AEIOU. So any one you can write it here. So I will write it here. HAT hat. Yes. So like this you have to write, children. Understood? Neatly in 4-line English notebook you have to write, fill in the blanks with the vowels. Understood? Yes. So children, this is be written in classwork. Is it? Yes. So homework is what? Same. So what you had written in classwork, this you have to copy in homework page. Understood? So everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.